Antarctica, a land modern civilization barely knows. It's a vast, frozen expanse, seemingly void of life, but brimming with questions. Could humanity's greatest secrets lie hidden beneath its endless ice? Join us as we unravel one of history's most captivating mysteries, the possibility of ancient civilizations buried beneath Antarctica. Picture this, a place larger than Europe. Antarctica is a continent cloaked in ice, averaging a mile thick. But could this frozen wilderness have once been home to an advanced society? Some argue yes, and the evidence begins with an artifact as old as the 16th century. Let's talk about the Piri Reis map. In 1513, Ottoman admiral and cartographer Piri Reis created a map that would shock centuries of researchers. Drawn on gazelle skin and detailing the known world, it also depicted something else, a continent bearing an uncanny resemblance to Antarctica's coastline. But here's the twist. It was depicted ice-free. How could someone in the 1500s know what this frozen land looks like under its icy veil? Are we to believe ancient explorers had mapped areas revealed only through modern technology and radar? Tracing back to academic discussions, some theorists suggest that 12,000 years ago, during Earth's last glacial period, Antarctica's climate may have been drastically different. What if temperate regions once existed and were inhabited? Could an advanced civilization have thrived there, creating maps centuries ahead of their time? It's a thought that boggles the mind. Now let's step into the world of legend. Atlantis. You've likely heard of Plato's account from over 2,300 years ago, speaking of a magnificent city lost to the sea. What if Atlantis wasn't submerged in water, but buried under ice? Proponents of this idea consider shifting tectonic plates and continental drift. Could Antarctica once have been situated closer to the equator, later drifting southward? But myths alone don't make reality. Science plays its part too. Taking us from speculation to discovery, let's explore what truly lies beneath the ice. Since the mid-20th century, radar imaging and satellite technology have examined Antarctica's hidden underworld. Findings are astonishing. Expansive subglacial lakes like Lake Vostok, sealed off from the surface for millions of years. What's more, mountain ranges and even riverbeds lie frozen in time. Geological evidence suggests some parts of Antarctica were, in fact, forested 100 million years ago. Yet, skeptics argue, how does this pertain to civilization? Here's a fascinating breakthrough: microbial life. In 2013, scientists recovered microorganisms from Lake Vostok. Though simple, these microbes prove ecosystems adapted to extremes can endure. Could this adaptability extend to human existence if climates aligned at one point? And while microbial survival doesn't necessarily imply great civilizations once lived there, it fuels hope for continued exploration and deeper truths. The notions of human-made structures have sparked even more intrigue. Take a pyramid-shaped formation discovered via satellite imagery. Images circulated on the internet ignited a frenzy of speculation about man-made pyramids concealed under layers of ice. Similarly, alleged building foundations have been photographed, claimed by some to be remnants of ancient societies. However, scientific rebuttals attribute most of these shapes to nunataks, peaks of mountains breaking through glacial cover, shaped naturally by eons of wind and erosion. Once again, Antarctica asserts its mystery, eluding confirmation or denial amidst its icy layers. But why is it so hard to truly investigate these ideas? Welcome to the challenges of Antarctic exploration. At its coldest, temperatures plunge down to nearly 130 degrees, some sites 90 degrees. Its geographical isolation only adds to the difficulty. Months of preparation and millions in funding are a necessary investment for brief research missions. When considering all this, it's no surprise so much remains unexplored. The continent is vast, larger than both the United States and Mexico combined, making comprehensive studies daunting even with contemporary advancements. Expeditions continue, aided by technological marvels. Ice-penetrating radar, drones, and robotic exploration have unveiled tantalizing fragments of what lies below. From subglacial aquatic ecosystems to geological samples dating back millions of years, discoveries push the boundaries of human understanding. Could it be just a matter of time until we stumble upon something truly groundbreaking? Let's take a moment to think. Civilizations come and go, leaving imprints shrouded by nature and time. If Antarctica did indeed host an ancient culture, how might we decipher the message they've left behind? If such a message exists. Looking at history, cities and monuments have lain buried under sand, sea, and soil before emerging to rewrite our understanding of the human past. Why should ice be an exception? This leads us back to speculation versus science. Tales of cities beneath the Antarctic ice invigorate the imagination. They invite us to question, to challenge, and to explore. At the same time, they remind us of humanity's enduring thirst for the unknown. Not every mystery needs resolution to inspire wonder. Could it be that Antarctica's greatest secret is not what we find, but how its mysteries drive us to exceed scientific and exploratory limits? Despite the skeptics, hypotheses, and theories, there's one undeniable truth. Antarctica is a place of endless allure, an enigmatic blend of science and story, fact and fantasy. Whether hiding an ancient civilization or standing as a pristine archive of Earth's frozen history, it demands awe and respect. The mere suggestion of what might lie just beneath its ice keeps us coming back for more. So what do we conclude? Is there an ancient civilization waiting to be unveiled in Antarctica? Or is this a case where myths and natural phenomena weave a captivating tale? For now, the answer may rest beneath the ice, silent, elusive, and patiently waiting for the intrepid explorers of tomorrow. If Antarctica's mysteries have captivated your imagination, hit that like button, share your theories in the comments below, and subscribe for more deep dives into history's endless enigmas. Who knows? Maybe together, we'll venture into the unknown and unwrap the secrets of our world's last great frontier.